my Tommy box. But when it out, she'll sit it out. Cause you know the Frankenstein can't put it out. She don't get nothing from a nigga out. But she get us all day, it's a Cheerio. Tryna send it out, but I'm in a go. Better put him in a cup with the penny loud. No tint out, on my window. So you see a nigga shining in the Benz out. Got me feeling like Jim Jones. I'm a flip out, no lips out. Could've copied my style, put it work. Run up on the killer, then I put him in the dirt. Run up in the building, so they gon' squirt. That's what a nigga get when they gettin' on my nerves. I ain't lying. Lay him on that curb. Ride on the killer who be coming that burn. Girl, you work. Twerk that kitty, girl, make it turn. Put it work. Flacco, put him in the dirt. Fresh got the shovel, he gon' put him in the curb. Trinidad maniac with an all gon' hurt. Yeah, put him work. Schoolboy Q with a pound of the perk. So much work, you smoke up the herb. Polo ground, ASAP work.
A lot of niggas die, should've been from moving straight. No, I do not have a car, but I could buy one every year. Living like I'm 33, no keys like I'm 36. Shitloads like I'm 28. Coleman, no, I'm pushing weight. No H, why I'm in your state. Eating off your dinner plate. My heart live with Santa style. Super fly, I need a caddy. Bitches throwing pussy back and forth, they on my dick. Passion dripping off my lip. She say she never had a grip. Put in work, all big booties make it twerk. All big titties lift your shirt. Show a player what you worth. Yeah, put in work, spray his ass in front of the church. Deacon said I did my shit, the pastor said that nigga turn. Put my collar on my shirt, make these bitches go berserk. Shipping units, Captain Kirk, taking Sandy's popping perks. Might not last, I'm bombing first. Turn your backseat to a hearse. Back to the lab with Mother Earth. Had to give them burger first.
Do the crimes, I'm inside. Y'all done died, popping nines, Pakistan, Columbine. Out of line, pistols barking. Ride or die, write a script, design a line. All I see is dollar signs. Want that pretty flocker? Ratchets, designer jackets. The same niggas in jackets. We the first who claim we faggots. My bitch is a movie actress. Side bitch wanna be movie pageant. Got a chick that work that man, but told them time make a bitch look average. Right next to Fergie.